All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you how to round corners individually. So I just made a square, and I was holding Shift. That makes it proportionally a perfect square. Now, typically, we're going to be grabbing the selection tool, going here. You see these nodes. That's where you can round, right? You grab those little nodes there. I'm going to hit undo. But in this scenario, we're going to use the direct selection tool. That lets us select parts of the path, not just the whole object. Zoom in a little bit. Now, direct selection, it's A on the keyboard. And now we've just got one. See that? I only selected this anchor point of the path. So now if I pull this, it's just doing that one. Now I can go over here, grab this one, give it a little radius, whatever. You don't have to, draw the big rectangle. You can just click the node itself, the anchor, sorry. And then, yeah, so look at that. And now if you want to get, get them back to where they were, you can always grab these guys, right? No, that one I didn't do anything, that one. So yeah, I mean, we're getting them back to where they were, right? Now we've got 0. So that's how you do that. Corner radius explained. If that helped, hit like, please. Leave me a comment. Thanks.